This is going to be a very quick tutorial on how to set up Blender for isometric tile rendering, because all the other tutorials are mathematically imprecise. Anyways, let's get on with this. First thing we want to do is we want to go into the render settings. We want to set the X to 128 and the Y to 64. Anything that is a 2:1 ratio will actually work. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to go back to here, go to Fill, set this to 0 and hit Transparent. This is important for, getting transparent backgrounds. Now to the actual setup, we want to set up a mesh, which is a plane. We want it 1 meter by 1 meter. We then want to go in there and subdivide it. Leave it alone. Now we want a camera. We want to reset its rotations with Alt-R. We then want to rotate it on the X-axis by 60 degrees and on the Z-axis by 45. We then just want to shoot it off into oblivion a little bit. Not all the way, just a little bit. Then in the camera options, we want to go and set the type to orthographic. Now for the orthographic scale, I have a little cheat here. Now this little equation here, we're going to replace the 1 for how many tiles wide, because we always want to work with square values here. So wide or deep, two sides of the same coin. Just make life easier for yourself. Anyways, we'll replace the 1 with that. So if we had 2 by 2, we would say 2 times. But in this case, we're using the 1. Yes, I know it's redundant. We don't technically need it, but I'm giving you the equation so that you can use it if you need it. Anyways, if we look in the view, we'll see, we're a little bit off. So let's fix that. So we're going to enable snapping. We're going to go into the snap type, set it to vertex, leave that. We're then going to go to the transform or transformation orientations and then hit normal. Now, with the camera selected, we're going to press G and then Shift Z to exclude the Z axis from movement. And we're going to hover over the center of the plane. This is why we subdivided it. Then we're going to click. We can then view through this that this is exactly correct. Mathematically precise down to the nth significant figure. Hit F12, we get a render. Now you may say to me, oh, but you've got a gap here. It's fine. Once it tiles, it is fine. This works. Just trust me with that. As you can see, there's no faffing about, no messing around with just changing the x-axis or whatnot, because the z-axis, because that does not matter. Just follow what I said. Yeah. It works. It is exact. And you can set it up in less than 3 minutes.